Hello students, good morning. So today we are going to learn a poem. But first I ask questions to you. Have you seen a mouse? Yes, everyone's seen a mouse. So this poem is about a mouse. We have to know the mouse are very naughty. So let's see in this poem how is this mouse? So everyone open the textbook page number 33. There is a lesson number 3.1 and our poem name is Mice. First I read this poem but everyone put your finger word by word. I think mice are rather nice. Their tails are long. Their faces small. They haven't any chains at all. Their ears are pink. Their teeth are white. They run about the house at night. Their nibble things they shouldn't touch and no one seems to like them much. But I think mice are rather nice. Students, first we have to understand what is meant by mice. Mouse, it is a singular word, means that one mouse. And mice, it is a plural word, means that one and more mouse. Then we have to say mice. Now, we have to understand what is in that poem. I think mice are rather nice. Their tails are long. Their faces small. They haven't any chains at all. It says to you, mice बहुत ही अच्छे होते हैं. And how's the tails of the mice? Yes, very long tails of the mice. You can see in the picture. उनकी tails बहुत ही long होती है. And how's the face of the mice? Yes, very small face of the mice. And that's why they haven't any chains at all. उनका face small होने के कारण उनको chains नहीं होती है. This type the poet describe about the mouse. Let's see next stanza. Their ears are pink. उनके ears कैसे होते हैं? Pink color के होते हैं. Their teeth are white. How is the teeth of the mice? Yes, white. They run about the house at night. आपने कभी दिन में mice को देखा है क्या? नहीं. Because of why? Because of they only run about at night. Why they run about that at night? Yes, because of that in the night they finding foods. They nibble things they shouldn't touch and no one seems to like them much. Students, आपने कभी देखा होगा mice रात में यहाँ से यहाँ भागते रहते हैं for finding foods. But कोई भी चीज़ हो, चाहे फूड हो या कोई भी चीज़ हो, तो उसे वो कतर कतर कर खाते हैं और पूरी तरह से वो खराब कर देते हैं. And that's why no one likes to mice. कोई भी उन्हें पसंद नहीं करता. But his poetry says to you, but I think mice are rather nice. लेकिन mice बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. ऐसे इस पोएटर ने आपको कहा है. She has describing that how is the mice. So today's homework is read this poem and write this poem 2 times and also write the dictation words of this